Sharie and I have two different ways that we do our salon. We're a little bit more, we talk about things that some people may be like, but then they really want to talk about it. But when they see one
They
person,
talk about threesomes, we talk about the Trinity. Hey, that was good, huh?
No, that
So I'm here with Tonya and DreamGirl Hair.
What's up, y'all? Come along with me on this healthy hair care journey with DreamGirls. I'm so excited.
There are two sisters. Those sisters are channeling their passion for hair health into a thriving Black-owned business, and they just keep growing.
So when we find people here that's thinning, their nails are breaking, we always like, okay, what's going on? When the last time you went to the doctor? Have you had a baby? Are you breastfeeding still? The things that we do in ignorance is what caused our damage.
I've been told, oh, you're African, you can't really grow hair.
In the 1920s, in the early 1920s, when we first really saw the beginning of a beauty culture, commercial beauty culture for Black people.
always felt like I had to say, but I'm also this and that. I own two schools. But, you know, as time went on, you're like, what am I trying to prove? Like, the majority of my income comes from being a hairstylist.
And it felt like you were talking to your best friends. And so it felt like a space where you could be vulnerable.
Honestly, I had a complex with my hair, you know? I would always say, I want my hair like my mom, I want hair like my sister. You know, why do I have this hair?
We just have to turn around how we relate to our hair and where the experience come from.
Black hairstylists are artists. And, you know, there are artists who literally use hair as their medium